Welcome to our channel Cryptospirit. Are you looking for an exciting new platform to invest and earn profits? Welcome to TRXGEM, your gateway to financial success. In this video, we will introduce you to incredible features of TRXGEM and show you how you can join the platform, earn profits, make deposit, withdrawals, and even invite to others to share in your success. So let's get started. The first step to unlock your financial potential with TRXGEM is to register on your platform. It is simple and easy. Just visit our website trongem.me, link in description, and click on the register. Fill the requirement details, type the username 6 to 16 letters or number, create a secure password, your mobile number, your email number, and recommendation code in description. Then click on register. I have already account, now I am logging in it. This is the interface of TRONGEM. This is the information about app. This is the real app for invest and earn daily profits. This is the information about us, founded, wallet registration, buy currency, how to deposit, how to make money, and common problems, FAQs. This is the investment plan, in which you can see the daily income and daily withdrawals of all VIP plans, in which VIP 1 deposit quantity 10 TRX to 2500 TRX and daily income is 9% and also daily withdrawal is 9%. In VIP 2 2500 to 10,000 TRX and daily income is 10% and you can daily withdrawal of 10%. Further, you can choose your maximum plan is VIP 10, daily above 40% earn profit and daily withdrawal also 40%. After registration, it is time to make your first deposit. TRXGEM offer a range of deposit options to suit your needs. Simple logging in your account, navigate to the deposit section. Here is the first deposit section. Click on deposit section and choose your preferred payment method, where your preferred cryptocurrencies or traditional method. TRXGEM has got you covered. With a minimum deposit of just 10 TRX, you can get started on your investment journey. We recommended invest at least 300 TRX for optimal result. Your investment will be used to generate daily mining income and unlock exclusive benefits. For deposit, click on first option, transfer to basic account and select your preferred cryptocurrency. I select TRX and now click the copy address. Here is the TRX20 address and go to your wallet account. Here is my wallet address. I click on TRX, send and paste the address and amount. And now click on continue. When your transfer succeed, click on submit successfully. The submission is complete. Wait for 2 to 5 minutes and here is my balance receipt. Now you can invest in any plan. Our platform offered a tiered profit model, which means the more you deposit, the higher your daily profit percentage. Our platform profit model is designed to maximize your earnings. We have a team of experienced traders who work to generate profit for the platform, and these profits are shared with our users. The more you investment, the more you stand to gain. Here now I receive deposit quantity of 15 TRX and now my current level VIP is VIP 1. You can deposit up to 2500 to 10,000 and earn daily income is 10% and your daily income reach in the income section. Here is the income section, press on income. Daily income reach in this section Singapore time every day. Say goodbye to manual upgrades. Our platform automatically calculates your total accumulated deposit and upgrade your VIP level. It's that simple. For example, if you deposit 500 TRX the first time and second time 2000 TRX, your total accumulated deposit will be reach 2500 TRX. Automatic upgrade to VIP 2. You will enjoy 10% daily income. After reach daily earning your percentage, you can easily withdraw. Press on withdrawal section. Withdrawal. This is a withdrawal section. You can withdraw after 15 trades and daily withdrawal is 1. Minimum withdrawals is 5. Here is the select the amount. First you have withdrawal balance. My balance is 0.0 TRX. When you earn money or reach money, your withdrawal balance appear on this section. After appear the withdrawal balance, you select on the amount. You can withdraw minimum 5 TRX. Select the amount and choose withdrawal account, add digital currency account. Here is the paste your withdrawal address. Select on your wallet address. Here is my receive wallet address. Copy and paste into the wallet address. After wallet address, set payment password, continue, and here your withdrawal account is succeed. Select amount, digital currency and password and select withdrawal. Because my balance is insufficient balance, therefore I cannot proceed the withdrawal. When I succeed my income, I make a new video of withdrawal section. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Register with TRXGEM today using the share link provided in description by registration and making a deposit. Join TRXGEM now and start the journey toward financial freedom. But wait, that's more. We believe in sharing the wealth with those who invite their friends. Here is your team. When you invite someone to join TRXGEM, you will receive an instant cash reward of 60%. And the reward don't stop there. If your friends also invite others, you will earn the additional commission. It's a win-win for everyone. For invitation, click on Go Now. Here is the invitation code and invitation link. You can send on Facebook, Twitter and Telegram. Sharing your success story has never been easier. You can share your invitation link with your friends, family on popular social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Telegram. Spread the word about the incredible investment mining platform and watch your income grow. For more information and assistance, please visit our website trongem.me. Connect with us on social media and stay updated with the latest news and promotions. TRXGEM, your path to financial success. Thanks for watching.